पॉपकॉर्न के ऊपर भी डाल रहे हैं टैक्स। मगर जब पॉपकॉर्न सॉल्टेड सिर्फ नहीं है, उसमें कैरमलाइज्ड पॉपकॉर्न भी मार्केट में आता है एडेड शुगर के साथ। एडेड शुगर के चीज हर एक में रेट एक है।
Salted popcorn is taxed at 5% but caramelized at 18%. And we take our popcorn way too seriously to let this slide. Here's the deal. Ready-to-eat salted popcorn with salt and spices gets a 5% GST if it's not pre-packaged and labeled. But pre-packaged salted popcorn attracts 12% GST. Now throw in some sugar to make caramel popcorn and its essential character transforms into a sugar confectionery. This reclassification bumps it into 18% GST. Adding components or features to a product increases its overall price, and since taxes are calculated as a percentage of the total value, this naturally leads to a higher tax amount. Taxes on our food items haven't always received the best of reactions.
Rasgulla and Mishti Doi is a staple food of all Bengalis, but in northern India you seldom have it, and that's why there is GST on it, but there is no GST on lassi or chach.
But do you know that India taxes items with added sugar differently?
When you talk outside, it looks silly. अरे पॉपकॉर्न के ऊपर इतना चर्चा चाहिए क्या? मगर हर आइटम के ऊपर फिटमेंट कमेटी में स्टेट्स भागीदारी लेकर चर्चा करने के समय वो क्लियरली बोलते हैं एडेड शुगर वाले चीज को तो हम ट्रीटमेंट अलग ही देते हैं, चाहे वो ड्रिंक हो, कार्बोनेटेड ड्रिंक हो, जूस हो, जिसमें एडेड शुगर है।
Sugary drinks like Coca-Cola and Pepsi are in the highest GST slab, 28%, with an extra 12% cess, so a total 40% tax. Even fruit-based sugary drinks like Maaza and Fruity are taxed at 12%. This strategy follows the global sin tax trend, aiming to curb products linked to health risks like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Cigarettes, alcohol, and tobacco remain heavily taxed with a 28% GST, the highest GST slab. In 2014, Mexico became the first country to impose a tax on sugary drinks. A recent joint study by US and the Mexican health academics found that sin taxes were indeed effective. Mexico's modest sugary drink tax reduced consumption by 10%, especially among low-income groups. In California, a higher tax reduced cola consumption by 21% and increased water sales by 63%. In India, Kerala took the lead in 2016, imposing a 14.5% on what was called the fat tax on junk food from branded outlets. Before the implementation of GST in 2015, a committee headed by then Chief Economic Advisor Arvind Subramanian had recommended a 40% sin tax on harmful goods. Sin taxes, endorsed by renowned economists like Adam Smith, have a historical precedence dating back to 1776. Smith argued that taxes on items such as cigarettes, alcohol, and sugar were justified. In the Union Budget in 2024, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman did not announce any new sin tax. The 23-24 budget had increased taxes on cigarettes marginally.
टैक्स ऐसे विषय है जिसमें बहुत लेयर्स होता है, कोई आंख बंद करके टैक्स लगाते भी नहीं है और आंख बंद करके हटाते भी नहीं है।